How can I connect via SSH, Putty, to my VMware machine Ubuntu? I'm trying to connect to my vmware-workstation 7.1.3 machine Ubuntu Lucid via SSH. I've read through some other posts, but I can't figure this out. I ran ifconfig and got a net address column and bcast and mask column which appear to be IP addresses. If I try to connect via Putty SSH to any of those addresses, it doesn't work. I also tried connecting to my IP address from whatismyip.com. Note, this is all taking place on the same desktop computer.
Is the package Open Server installed on your Ubuntu VM? You'll need that package if you want to connect to it by SSH. You can make sure by opening a terminal through VMware's console, I guess, on Ubuntu and running.
How to do it? Here are the complete steps. Just follow these steps. In the terminal, use command sudo apt-get install OpenServer switch to bridged networking mode. Make that change in the virtual machine control panel, edit a virtual machine settings, reboot the VM, run ifconfig command in terminal and get init address of eth0. That's all. Now use this IP to connect via SSH. I use Putty in my Windows 8.
If the network is configured properly, either with port forwarding or as bridged, and SSH is still not working, from the question text that seems to be the case, then it's either that SSH is not installed or not running. For example, SSH is not running by default on Kali although it's already installed. You'll have to run it yourself. To start the SSH service,
check if the SSH is allowed or not allowed in your firewall settings. If you use Linux with a GUI, it might be like this. Click on System, Administration, Security Level, and Firewall. Click on Firewall Option tab, enable it, apply and save. Here you can allow Telnet and HTTPS as well. Thanks.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.